Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise number 67. Dear Sir, I am surprised to hear of Mr. Hugh Hammer's opposition to the highly reasonable views taken by Professor Hawkins on the syllabus in history. Full stop. Professor Hawkins, I believe, does his best, in all circumstances, to help his pupils and to adhere to the scheme of history lessons which deals with the extension of commerce and with all forms of man's activity. Full stop. He is heedful of every circumstance which may affect the coherence of history and the historic belief expressed in the phrase special commerce follows the flag. Full stop. Special comma closed. There can be no misapprehension of his meaning, and none but a blockhead would be likely to misapprehend him. Full stop. He shows how the upheaval of war, though harmful to humanity in other ways, may help a nation's commerce. Full stop. I humbly hope Mr. Hammer may behave reasonably and cease to harass Professor Hawkins in his historical course. Full stop. Yours truly,